Carbonate and bicarbonate compounds are a fascinating and important topic in chemistry, with a wide range of applications in industry, agriculture, and medicine. These compounds are formed from the combination of carbon dioxide and various other elements, and they play a critical role in many natural processes and human activities. One of the most well-known carbonate compounds is calcium carbonate, which is found in a wide range of natural materials such as limestone, marble, and chalk. Calcium carbonate is also a key ingredient in many industrial products, including cement, plastics, and paper. In medicine, calcium carbonate is used as a dietary supplement and as an antacid to treat indigestion and heartburn. Another important carbonate compound is sodium carbonate, which is commonly known as washing soda. Sodium carbonate is used in the production of glass, detergents, and other industrial applications. It is also used as a water softener and as a cleaning agent in many households. Bicarbonate compounds are closely related to carbonate compounds, but contain an additional hydrogen atom. One of the most well-known bicarbonate compounds is sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate is a versatile compound used in many household and industrial applications, including baking, cleaning, and fire extinguishing. Bicarbonate compounds also play an important role in regulating the pH of natural systems, such as the human body. The bicarbonate buffer system helps maintain a stable pH in the blood and other bodily fluids, which is critical for many physiological processes. In agriculture, bicarbonate compounds are used to regulate the pH of soils, which can affect the growth and health of plants. Bicarbonates can also be used to treat livestock drinking water to reduce the risk of acidosis, a condition that can be harmful to animals. In addition to their practical applications, carbonate and bicarbonate compounds also have important environmental implications. Carbonate compounds are involved in the process of carbon sequestration, which refers to the capture and storage of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process is important for mitigating the effects of climate change. One unique property of carbonate and bicarbonate compounds is their ability to undergo acid-base reactions. Bicarbonate compounds, in particular, are important buffers in many biological systems, helping to maintain the pH of bodily fluids such as blood. When an acid is added to a bicarbonate buffer, the bicarbonate reacts to neutralize the acid, while also producing carbon dioxide gas as a byproduct. Carbonate and bicarbonate compounds also have important industrial applications in the production of ceramics and glass. For example, sodium carbonate is used in the production of soda-lime glass, which is a common type of glass used in windows and bottles. The addition of small amounts of other elements, such as calcium or magnesium, can produce different types of glass with unique properties. In addition to their use in glass production, carbonate and bicarbonate compounds are also used in the production of ceramics. When heated, carbonate compounds decompose to produce carbon dioxide and the corresponding metal oxide, which can then be used in the production of ceramic materials. Carbonate and bicarbonate compounds also play an important role in the natural world. For example, the dissolution of calcium carbonate in water can create caves, sinkholes, and other geological formations. Carbonate compounds also play a critical role in the formation of coral reefs, which are important ecosystems that support a wide range of marine life. However, the presence of carbonate and bicarbonate compounds in natural systems can also have negative implications. For example, the acidification of oceans due to the absorption of carbon dioxide can have harmful effects on marine life and ecosystems.